Yeah, 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 yeah. How much money you got? Straight up. How much money you got? Straight up. How much money you got? Straight up. How much money you got? A lot. How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot. How many people that died? A lot. Left you out to rap? A lot. How many pray that you flop? A lot. How many lawyers you got? A lot. How many times you got shot? A lot. How many niggas you shot? A lot. How many times did you ride? A lot. How many niggas that died? A lot. How many times did you cheat? A lot. How many times did you lie? A lot. How many times did she leave? A lot. How many times did she cry? A lot. How many chances she done gave? Fuck around with these died. Every day that I'm alive, I'm around with this.
Nigga came from the bottom, down below. Remember them cold nights, I was sleeping on the floor. Always dreamed about the 4G, I don't feed, now they down below. A nigga got so much money on me, I can't count no more. Remember I was in the project wall, couldn't even get along. Now they niggas got their hands out, if I ain't give it, I be wrong. Remember I was in the county jail, none of these bitches wasn't picking up the phone. Now they making my line, I ain't got time no more. A nigga started from the bottom, now I'm living. Early morning, Uncle whipping in the kitchen. Some people said I couldn't do it, and I did it. Look at my bank account, I'm running up the digits. I ain't in all the doing, never saw shit. I walk it out, talk it, I live it. Come to the birdhouse, look at the garage, nigga. My Billy Coop got a couple pigeons. I was down on my head, had to go in new direction. Bought my mama Gucci purse, gave it to him right, so that you ain't gotta stress it. It ain't even emergency, and the nigga about to pull up in a 911. Just to be my dog. I told God it's blessed.
Ela pediu pra me botar e o leve botou. Ela pediu pra me socar e o leve socou. Ela pediu pra me dar tapa no popô. Tapa no popô. Aí, cê pediu, cê vai tomar, hein? Essa botata, botata, muito forte no teu popô.